Right, yep, it sort of fits on now. This part I've just printed out here actually has a small hole in it. I think the plastic's just a bit thin. You can actually see it here. Just sort of down there. I mean, that fits on there well. Now, when I first put this on, it only went in about this deep, and I sanded it down a little bit. I might have sanded it too much because it is a little bit wobbly here on this joint. This is a Hoover Extension pipe. You pick them up off eBay. Also, that it's also a bit wobbly on this end as well. So in a way, you got double. Can I get that in the camera? See how much that can move there. That other end there is pretty firm. On the next iteration I'll have a groove cut sort of in here, because there's a notch thing on this, like crevice tool. And as I said, it is a powered brush when you have the power to the brush, but I don't know how I'm going to achieve that, not 100%. But I have got the like plug units on, a couple of holes in, to maybe see about doing that. I mean, that's that other end there. Very small amount of movement. I've got some rubbish on the floor here, a little bit. Zoom in a bit. So I've got some rubbish here. Going to do the crevice tool. I'll try and show you this. See that, like how that can move there? That is the main, I think that's the main problem really. Like having this a bit longer here, so it goes up here a bit more, might improve that. And like something, a better way of gripping inside here somehow. Something to look at, but that hole has to be, well, that plastic has to be thickened up a bit there. But that's I think there's a bit of solder or something down here. You see, just glinting. Well, I can see glinting. I'm going to try that. See how much, there's a bit of suction there. I wouldn't call it a massive amount. See how that goes all the way up because of that notch thing. Oops, am I going up there? Yeah. There's more suction like that than with that extension on. So some suction is lost. I don't know if it's because of like gaps around the edges. Possibly air seeping in there. Let's say a small hole. I mean, that is small. I wouldn't have thought that would make that much difference. That one on there is pretty tight. It will come off, but it's pretty, hands on there pretty tight, so I don't think that's leaking there. I think the plastic's reasonably solid on this one. Anything, it's this one here that might need a bit of adjustment. That is pretty loose in there now. See if I push it down only part way, it's very loose. When it tightens up, but that does get a little tiny bit wider here. You probably can't see it. But it does sort of get a little bit wider. I did design it to get a bit wider. Well, I mean, I suppose it's okay, but I'm going to try and sort out this looseness. That's the main thing, I think, and maybe the actual power. So this is that's like the cleaner side, goes to the cleaner, and that's the brush side, goes to the brush. Well, if you had the brush or the crevice tool. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of filament there, and there's another bit down here as well. I need a nozzle. There's a tiny bit of card I've thrown on the floor.